Welcome back to Quiz Universe. Buckle up, folks, because today you're in for the ultimate emoji challenge. Guess the word by emoji. We've got 15 tricky questions, and you'll only have 10 seconds to flex your brain muscles for each one. If you're ready for this wild ride, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and let's get this emoji party started. All right, let's warm up with an easy one. Can you guess the word from these emojis? Boom! Nailed it. It's a sunflower. You're on fire. Round 2. Can you spot the odd emoji out? If you've got it, you've got eagle eyes. There it is. Another simple one to keep the momentum. Peanut butter. You're crushing it. Now, check out this emoji pair. Any guesses? Yep, it's watermelon, watermelon. Bonus round. All right, which of these watermelon emojis is the real one, A, B, or C? You got it, it's A. I think we all knew this one was coming. It's ice cream. Who doesn't love ice cream, right? Now, for the pros out there, let's see if you can unscramble this ice cream flavor. Drop your guess in the comments below. Back to guessing. This one's a no-brainer for any superhero fan. Yep, you got it. Iron Man, you're unstoppable. Now, how about this next combo? Hot chocolate. Cozy and delicious. Speaking of delicious, let's tackle this. Which word do these symbols spell out? That's right. It's a bunny. Can you spot our sneaky little bunny hiding among these cute foxes? There it is. Sharp as always. Now, try to beat the clock. Can you guess this next word? Toothless, the dragon himself. You're a legend. And can you help him find light fury? Wow, no stopping you. Bonus round time again. Remember where the emojis are. Where's the sun emoji? Bingo! That's it. And finally, Queen Bee, you're the royalty of this quiz. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the ride, smash that subscribe button and click on the next video to keep the quiz madness going. See you in the next one.